Special greetings, my dear students. In previous class, we seen Photoshop about how to open a new file, how to insert a image, and what are the few tools we seen. Because tools, while going step by step only, you will able to understand all the tools. Okay, and I already mentioned to you what are the tools available in a painting. Same tools will be in a this Photoshop also. Only few tools will be variation will be any photo editing software. The tools are always similarity. Okay, only few tools will be have some changes that you have to know. Now see here, saving file we seen, closing a file also we seen, opening a file, selection tool. In this place only we were in a last class we stopped. Student, selection tool, there are two types. First of all, what is a selection tool? Selection tool is used to select some particular place in an image, some particular area. If you are going for the selection tool, there are only two types. One is a marquee tool and another one is a laser tool. Okay, only these two tools are there. And in these two tools, there are several types. Marquee tool always used to select a regular object. Okay, uniform shapes. What are the uniform shapes? It can be a rectangle, elliptical, single row, single column. Now kindly see here. Here I already opened Photoshop. Okay, I already opened Photoshop, and now already I mentioned marquee tool. In previous class I showed you where is a marquee tool. So in a toolbar, I'm going to make you big. I'm going to make it a big. So here is a marquee tool. Just right click, which shape you want you can select. I'm going to select a elliptical. Elliptical means what? Circular, correct? Now kindly see here. Now just I am clicking and I am dragging. How much big I am dragging, that much it will come. So this area is selected. Okay, this area is selected. In case if I press delete key, it will be deleted, or else if I press Ctrl plus C, it will be copied. And when I am in this area, okay, in this area, Ctrl plus V, it will be pasted. Okay, means kindly see here the which area we selected. Okay, which area we selected, that is copied and that is pasted here. If you want more, I will make it more clear. Just you see, I am going to select a big. Okay, and I am Control C, I selected here, Control V. See here, are you getting? So this is a, like this way there are rectangular, single row, single column. These things we have to do in a practical. Okay, in this there is no any exceptional or optional to you all. Okay, now next see, we are going for the laser tool. Students, already I told marquee tool is used to select a regular shapes. What are the regular shapes? It will select a rectangular, elliptical and single row, single column. I would like to show you a single row. Now kindly see a single row. Right click, single row. Okay, just I am, this is a single row, and delete. One line is there, means I just selected a single row and there one line is appeared. Now kindly see here, the one particular line you can able to see. In case if I am selecting a singular column, right click, a singular column I selected. Now see here, right click, just I am clicking and dragging, delete. I deleted. Now see, if I delete here again, delete. So these are the things, single row and single column marquee tools. Okay. Now we can go for the lasso tool. Okay, we can go for the lasso tool. My dear students, lasso tool is used to select irregular shapes. Okay, lasso tool is used to select irregular shapes. There are three types of lasso tool. Okay, three type of lasso tool. One is a normal lasso tool, next one is a polygon, and another one is a magnetic. Okay, So here you can able to see the laser tool is a bunch of three useful tools used for select a regular shapes. Okay, now see here, first one. My dear students, when you are using laser tool, you should always zoom the image. Now kindly see here. I am going to use here. So here I am selecting laser tool. Okay. So first one, polygon. So polygon, it will select in a straight line. Okay, it will select in a. I will make you more bigger. My dear, polygon always select image in a straight line. Okay, always select in a image in a straight line. Now see here, just to see how it is going a straight line. Means here I am moving. Now I have to select mouse key. I have to press mouse button. Now here mouse button, mouse button, mouse button. Like that, I have to select each place. Now see, straight line came here. Straight line means we have to do how much click we are doing, that much. Means for rough use I am mentioning, but you should not use like this. And where you started that particular place, you have to click. Now this particular object is selected. Now delete. Okay, so this is a marquee tool. So polygon is a straight line, and another one. Okay, another one is what? Polygon laser tool we seen. Now next one, magnetize laser tool. Magnetize laser tool, it will select by itself. Okay, it will select by itself based on the edges. Now see here, I am going to use a polygon laser tool. Sorry, magnetic laser tool. Now I inserted image. Actually, my dear students, in my computer only one image is there. Okay. So here, right click magnetic laser tool. I am making zoom now. Now see, I am in a magnetic laser tool. I selected. Now see, it is selecting automatically. I am not pressing my button. Okay. It is selecting automatically by itself. See how it is going. Can you able to see the selection? So this is what magnetic laser tool, and normal simple laser tool is simple laser tool. It is not that much important. Okay, just click and drag. Okay, so my dear student, this is a two selection tools. One is a marquee and another one is a laser tool. Marquee is used to select a regular shapes. It can be a rectangular, elliptical, single row, single column. And when you are coming to the laser tool, polygon, magnetic, normal laser tool. Okay, and polygon means it will select in a straight line. Magnetic, it will select by itself in the edges. At last, laser tool, it is a simple thing, simple tool, basic tool. Okay, so these are the things you should know. Okay, after this, we are having few topics. Okay, we can go slowly. Okay, we can able to go slowly. I think so within 2 days we can able to. Quick selection tool and move tool already we seen. It is used to move the object. Okay, so only quick selection and cropping, common tools in Photoshop 3, paint bucket 4. Only 4 options are there. In next class we will see this. Okay, thank you my students, thanks for watching.